Ready for a smarter, more secure front door? With the Yale Smart Locks range connected by Yale Access, your phone can now be your key. Available in a number of styles, control and monitor your door from anywhere by using the Yale Access app on your phone. Securely unlock and lock your door even when you're away from home. There's no need to pull your phone out of your pocket or enter your code. The door automatically unlocks and locks. And if you forget your phone or your phone battery dies, unlock using your entry code on the keypad. On your Yale Access app, create secure virtual keys for friends, family, or people you trust. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. The Yale Smart Locks range with Yale Connect Bridge pairs to the leading home assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. So you can use your voice to lock or unlock your door, as well as check lock status. Yale Smart Locks, smarter than ever, beautiful as always.